What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the Racer Red channel. I'm in the Boise foothills up at 8th Street. This is, I think it's called Boise Ridge Road. These private property signs are kind of off to the side. There should be some kind of gate or something like that that you have to go across, and that should be marked with red and have some signage on it. Otherwise, we just don't really know. Trail keeps going. There's Boise off to my right down there. To my left, I think that is today I wanted to go over to Cascade and ride a little bit around Warm Lake, but I never got a chance. I went down the highway over there and the mountainside was on fire, so I had to turn around. They just sent everybody back. It looked like somebody threw a cigarette off the side of the road or something and caught the mountain on fire. It always amazes me. These two-strokes, one thing about them is they can't catch the forest on fire, really. They don't burn hot enough. Mixing two-stroke oil with the fuel and everything, they don't throw any spark, even if you're not using the spark arrestor. There's really no reason to have a spark arrestor on a two-stroke. You see a lot of videos at night of four-strokes, and they just rev the crap out of them, and it shoots a flame out the back. You won't ever see that with a two-stroke, really. One thing about riding solo is you really have to be self-reliant, and you have to be safe out here, that's for sure. You don't want to try anything too crazy. One thing that I just started doing, I got a couple of radios, and I have one that I keep at the truck. That way, if something horrible does happen and I'm way out here, somebody can find my truck, they can see the radio, and I have an instructional note attached to the radio. It gives them the channel that they'll be using, and the range that the radio has. My radios have just under a 40-mile range. Anyways, hopefully I don't have a bug in my ear now. But I've got plenty of gas and a headlight. What more could you ask for? There's no stopping me. Easy on down here. Yeah. Ah, that's a nice house. Jeez. Yes, please. Give me that one. I don't make enough money. Because I'm lazy. What is this? What is this main road here? Rocky Canyon Road is what I was on. Haze over the mountains over there from the fire over in close to Cascade area. Looks like just about a full moon. Keep it in first and second gear on the way back, just because it is dark. city lights. Looks like the valley's just on fire. I have done some rough climbs today. They wouldn't be too bad if it was good soil, but it's pretty dry soil, and I've got a pretty bad rear tire at this point, so I almost didn't even do that hill because it was kind of not necessary. But I got to the bottom, I was like, nah, I gotta do that hill. I can't let it beat me. I'll put some effort in on this one. Really considering grabbing the headlamp out of my backpack, but I'm going slow enough too. It's all about speed, really. I mean, if I go slow, I'm fine. As long as I'm not racing down this. How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Made it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Slowly but surely. I kept finding new trails, so I had to hit them. I can't pass them up. Like,
Guy actually, he's from Texas. He built that. He says he's going to be on HGTV here in a couple months.
what?
For building that.
That's awesome.
Passing through. He's on his way to Colorado.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So I usually just take Arrow Rock Road all the way up. Yeah, you can get there from Idaho City as well.